Christmas is a beautiful and magical time of the year. A time to spend with friends and families, to exchange gifts and wishes. And for some people, it's the one time of the year that they have all to themselves, to do things they've always dreamed of, like taking a vacation. In today's video, we'll be giving those of you who would like to take a vacation this Christmas period a list of the world's most magical Christmas towns. So if ever you get the chance to travel, these places should be on your list. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications to stay notified anytime we drop a new video on this channel. Without any more delay, let's get started. Number 10. Leavenworth, Washington. Are you dreaming of having a white Christmas? Look no further than one of the most beautiful towns in America, Leavenworth, Washington. A small town set on the edge of Washington State's Cascade Mountains is a Bavarian village that is transformed into a virtual snow globe of Christmas magic during the holidays. It gives its visitors a taste of the old world with its German holiday celebrations. This town hosts 2 holiday festivals each year. The Christmas Lighting Festival, during which the snow-covered village is adorned with 5,000 twinkling Christmas lights, along with sounds of handbell ringers, marching bands, and carolers, and a Christkindlmarkt with crafts, entertainment, goods, as well as steaming cups of Glühwein or spiced wine or cocoa. It also offers more ways to enjoy this winter wonderland. Number 9. Rovaniemi, Lapland, Finland. Lapland, the northernmost region of Finland, has become synonymous with Christmas and Santa Claus. With its location just north of the Arctic Circle, Finns argue that it makes a much likelier home for Santa than even the North Pole. Visitors who come to this charming town can meet Saint Nick himself or visit the post office. Children can make cookies with Mrs. Claus and even enroll in elf school and so much more. This amazing town also offers plenty of outdoor adventure and awe-inspiring sights, such as taking a reindeer-drawn sleigh ride, husky dog rides, tobogganing in the deep, or sleeping beneath the northern lights in an igloo. Number 8. Woodstock, Vermont. Woodstock, Vermont is a magical place all year long, but perhaps even more so at Christmas time. During Christmas, the quintessential New England town turns into a holly-jolly hotspot with the ground typically covered with at least a light dusting of snow and the scent of pine needles wafting through the air. The city is famous for its annual Wassail Weekend. During this magical event, visitors can tour Woodstock's most charming homes as well as travel by horse-drawn wagon to see the town's bridges and snowy vistas. Others prefer to attend concerts, shop for locally made presents, watch the equestrian parade, or simply gather to light the town's tree, Yule log. It truly is an amazing sight to behold. Number 7. Strasbourg, France. The city of Strasbourg in France calls itself the capital of Christmas. Traveling there quickly proves their point. This city offers a series of themed Christmas villages that transform the city into a fantastic wonderland of holiday sights and gastronomic delights, where the Christmas vibe can truly be experienced. Visitors can taste prune, apricot, and other holiday-inspired variations of farm-fresh foie gras at the village of Alsace farmhouse, or its namesake traditional Christmas biscuits and a practically endless flow of mulled Alsatian wine at the village of Bredel. Strasbourg's Christmas has about 300 cellars, and so it's one of the biggest in Europe as well as one of the oldest markets. The city's Christmas program is filled with concerts and all types of cultural events. Everyone from kids to couples will find something to enjoy. Number 6. Bethlehem, West Bank. While massive Christmas trees and shopping are enough for some, for people wanting to reconnect with the religious meaning of the Christmas season, a pilgrimage to Jesus' biblical birthplace can be magical. A city filled with lights and decorations, with pilgrims gathering in the manger square to sing and celebrate on Christmas Eve. The Church of Nativity, built on the site where Jesus is believed to have been born, hosts a midnight mass on Christmas Eve. Visitors can also attend services at Shepherd's Fields, where the Star of the Nativity is said to have been seen. So far, we've seen some really magical Christmas towns, but keep watching because it's about to get way more magical. Number 5. Tallinn, Estonia. The Estonian capital is known for its wonderful Christmas spirit, with its medieval old town dusted in snow and lanterns lit after dark, providing a glow to the cobblestone streets. The world's first Christmas tree was erected here in 1441, and today, Tallinn's holiday traditions still include the legendary tree on Town Hall Square. It has small wooden stalls, music, colorful lights, and beautiful decorations. Not just the market, but the whole old town is lit up to fit the atmosphere of a Christmas village. An international Christmas market, an outdoor ice rink, and Estonian open-air museum, which depicts Christmas celebrations in past centuries in rural communities across the country, are all mainstays of the holiday season too. Number 4. Valkenburg and Huel, Netherlands. If you would like to do a little Christmas shopping and pick up some one-of-a-kind gifts like traditional Polish handcrafts, milestone products, and more, there's no better place than the Valkenburg Christmas Market. It's the oldest and largest underground holiday market in Europe. Set up in a labyrinth of passages of caves underneath the town and above ground, the city hosts a Christmas parade with floats and dancers, and a culinary walking tour called Route de Muse. Children will be especially happy to find that the caves even include Santa himself, along with his sleigh and reindeer. Number 3. Prague, Czech Republic. Prague gives Christmas a traditional Eastern European vibe. Being one of the most romantic cities globally, Prague has a rich history and beautiful Baroque and Gothic architecture that make a perfect backdrop for Christmas time festivities. The city has multiple Christmas markets, including one in the shadow of Prague Castle and the cozy Manifesto Winter Market, which has heated igloos and outdoor fireplaces for roasting marshmallows. Magical Christmas isn't just for humans, and that's why one of the most popular things to see in Prague is the stable at Old Town Square. You can pet some sheep, donkeys, and other animals. Kids love this, but even adults will get all warm-hearted after seeing the animals. Number 2. North Pole, Alaska. As you can imagine, the North Pole is the most exciting Christmas town in the United States. While larger cities like Fairbanks, which is just 15 miles away, have festive holiday celebrations, nothing can top the Christmas cheer of the North Pole. It's Christmas here all year round, and holiday decorations are up all through, so kids can meet Kris Kringle and his reindeer all year round. There's also the annual Winter Festival, the world's largest Santa statue, and aptly named streets like Snowman Lane and Kris Kringle Drive. Number 1. Vienna, Austria. Last but not least, we have the city of Vienna, present in Austria. Vienna is often called the magical Christmas town and home of Christmas markets in Europe, with many tourists and couples seeking romantic holiday travel here every Christmas. You can find colorful lights, beautiful decorations, and several markets around the city, as well as high-quality dinners and concerts. The Wiener Christkindlmarkt am Rathausplatz is the most popular market in the town, and it's a small village inside of Vienna. Other activities include ice skating in their ice rinks or playing on the Christmas-themed kids' floor in City Hall. It'll give you the Christmas Wonderland experience. Amazing towns, right? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you watch our video on the most amazing places to celebrate New Year. Click here. With that, we've come to the end of the video. Which of these magical Christmas places will you like to visit? Let us know in the comments section below. Until next time, stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.